Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today in English grammar, as we have yesterday started our chapter and we have done the hard words also. Of which chapter? Chapter number 3 in our English reader. The chapter name Teeny and the Far Away Mountain. Today we are going to do the words meaning. Okay? Yesterday we have done the hard words in the copy. Yes or no? If you have not done, just do it first hard words, and today you have to do the words meaning so that we can read the chapter, and the chapter is really so interesting. So first we will complete the words meaning, then we will start our chapter. Okay? So you have to do the words meaning. Chapter number 3, the same way you have to do in your copy also. Chapter name, chapter number, then you have to write the words meaning, and now I am going to explain you the words meaning. Okay, how to pronounce it and what's the meaning of the words. Okay, the first is wondrous, wondrous. What is the first word? Wondrous, wondrous. And what is the meaning of wondrous? Wondrous means wonderful. The thing that make you excited, there is excitement or that make you excited, that thing is known as the wondrous. Okay, understand first one? Wondrous. The second is P-O-R-T-E-R, potter. P-O-R-T-E-R, potter. What is the meaning of, this is not potter, one word is potter, P-O-T-T-E-R. That is the person who make the pots. This is not this. This is potter. Potter. And what is the meaning of potter? Potter means a person who carries luggage. A person who carries luggage, or we can say a person who carry a lot of weight or the weightage things. The person is known as potter. If you are moving to the railway station, bus station or to airport, you have seen the potter there. Have you seen? Yes, the persons are there who carry your luggage. Those men are known as the potter. In Hindi we say coolie, okay, who carry the weight or the luggage. Understand? The third one is T-R-U-D-G-E-D, trust. What is the third one? Trust. Yes, repeat it again. Trust. And the meaning of trust is walked with slow and heavy steps. Trust means walked with slow and heavy steps. Means the work that you not want to do, the thing that you not want to do, and you have to go to do it. When you have to go to do it, then how you walk? You walk so slowly and with the heavy steps. For example, if I just explain it in Hindi, trust means जब हम बहुत ही धीरे और बहुत ही हैवी स्टेप्स लेते हैं, मतलब बहुत स्लोली एक स्टेप को उठाते हैं, that is known as trust. और ऐसा हम कब करते हैं? जब कोई ऐसा काम जो हमारे करने की इच्छा नहीं है और उससे हमें करना होता है, तो हम वो काम करने के लिए जब जाते हैं तो ऐसे ही जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग एट आउटसाइड, जब आप घर के बाहर खेलने जाते हैं, यू आस्क योर ममा टू योर पेरेंट्स, मे आई गो आउटसाइड फॉर प्लेइंग, क्या मैं खेलने के लिए बाहर जाऊँ? दे से यस, यू आर सो हैप्पी, और रनिंग करके आप घर से बाहर निकलते हैं फॉर द प्लेइंग. बट नाउ इट जस्ट यू हैव स्पेंड 1 hour out of your home, maybe 1.5 hour or 2 hour. Then your parents are calling you back. आपकी मम्मा आपको वापस बुलाती हैं. Yes, come back. Then what you say? Only for few seconds more or few minutes more. You just speak like this. मम्मा plus थोड़ी देर, अभी थोड़ी देर में आ रहा हूँ. But your mother say no, now you have to come. Then how you come? अब जब आपको घर वापस आना होता है तो आप घर कैसे आते हैं? अगर आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं या कुछ कर रहे हैं, बाहर कोई गेम्स खेल रहे हैं, व्हेन यू कम बैक एट होम, तो अब आप कैसे आते हैं? बहुत ही स्लोली, धीरे धीरे. जब आप घर से बाहर खेलने गए थे तो बहुत फास्ट गए थे, जब आप वापस आ रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी आपको और खेलना है, आपको अभी अंदर आने का मन नहीं है, अभी अंदर नहीं आना है, तब आप जब वॉक करके आते हैं तो बहुत ही धीरे धीरे विद द हैवी स्टेप्स, अंडरस्टैंड, वॉकड विद स्लो एंड हैवी स्टेप्स for doing that work that we not want to do. The meaning is trust. I hope you understand. Trust means, okay? ऐसा कोई काम जो हमारे करने की इच्छा नहीं है और उसे करने के लिए जब हमें जाना होता है तो हम बहुत ही स्लोली और हैवी स्टेप्स के साथ धीरे धीरे जाते हैं. That is trust. Understand? Then the fourth one. COORDINATOR. Coordinator. What is the fourth one? Coordinator. Yes, again. Coordinator. Yes. What's the meaning of coordinator? Someone who plan. Someone who plan trips to mountains. Because this chapter is belong to the mountain. So here is written mountain. Okay. Coordinator means someone who plan. A person who plan the work. ऐसा कोई पर्सन जो कि पूरे वर्क की प्लानिंग करता है, दैट इज नॉन एज कोऑर्डिनेटर. एंड इन दिस चैप्टर अ पर्सन हु प्लान ट्रिप्स टू माउंटेन. अ पर्सन हु इज मेकिंग द प्लान, जो किसका प्लान बना रहा है यहाँ पे, माउंटेन की ट्रिप का, दैट इज कोऑर्डिनेटर. ओके, इफ यू नॉट सी, इफ यू जस्ट रीड दिस ऑल्सो, अ पर्सन हु मेक प्लान फॉर द वर्क, दैट इज नॉन एज द कोऑर्डिनेटर. अंडरस्टैंड? देन द फिफ्थ वन, DETER MINATION. Determination. What is the fifth one? Determination. Yes, again. Determination. Now what's the meaning of determination? A strong desire to do something. A strong desire. Desire means इच्छा. To do something. जब किसी काम को करने की हमारा क्या होता है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर होता है, और वी कैन से दृढ़ निश्चय, मुझे तो ये काम करना ही है, आई हैव टू डू, मुझे करना ही है, दैट इज नॉन एज डिटर्मिनेशन. अंडरस्टैंड? दृढ़ निश्चय, दैट दिस वर्क आई हैव टू, आई वॉन्ट टू डू, आई विल डू, आई हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर टू डू दिस वर्क, दैट इज नॉन एज डिटर्मिनेशन. देन द सिक्स्थ वन इज MENTOR, mentor. What is the sixth one? Mentor. Mentor. And what's the meaning of it? Person who helps and advises someone regularly. Understand? What is the meaning of mentor? Person who helps and advises someone regularly. Mentor is, we just use the word mentor for a person who helps and advises. Advises means सलाह देना. Someone regularly, that is known as mentor. For example, most of the students from you also, कुछ आप में से भी ऐसे students हैं जो maybe their parents are in the village or anywhere else and they are staying here or living here with their uncle, aunt or anyone else. And they are taking care and they are helping you, they are advising you, then they are also your mentor. Okay, parents means our mother father. Okay, our mother father is known as yes, parents. And mentor means they are not our parents, but they are helping us, they are advising us regularly, same as parents. Those person are known as mentor. Understand? See, 6 word meaning we have done here, and I hope you have understand also and you have learned also. I am repeating again. First, wondrous means wonderful. Porter, a person who carries luggage. Trust, walked with slow and heavy steps. Coordinator, someone who plan trips to the mountains. Determination, a strong desire to do something. Mentor, person who helps and advises someone regularly, that known as mentor. Okay, this is the work that you have to do in your copy also, and you have to learn it. One thing I want to clear you, as soon as we complete this chapter, जैसे ये chapter पूरा हो जाएगा, okay, when we will complete and finish this chapter, I will take your test also. So it's good for you that you learn the work रेगुलरली, ओके. जो मैम जिस दिन पढ़ा रही हैं आप उसे उसी दिन लर्न कर लें. सो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू टू गिव द टेस्ट एंड टू लर्न, ओके. दिस वर्क यू हैव टू डू इन योर कॉपी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.